And then,
Okay, take a picture of me. Hey, look at me. Hey guys, we're just about to go out. And we're gonna catch up with the other people.
okay.
We'll be saying this again.
And here's what after the cave.
And this
Okay,
is
Ravine.
near the cave too. Under what?
Okay, I'm gonna put my head down
Okay.
to see what's under the water.
I'm scared.
Ready, go. Not much.
Sorry.
You have to look before you kick.